Hot Tub Todd for Crystal Clean 123. Two more products that you can add to your regimen, at least one of them on a regular basis, is Foam Begone and Natural Enzyme. A lot of people come into the stores and they say, hey, we've got some foam, have you got anything for that? Usually it's not enough filtration, your filter's not totally clean, or you have people that are getting in the hot tub with bathing suits that have soaps or lotions. I had a lot of that when my daughter was a teenager. Foam Begone, all it'll do is lay an oil slick down on top of the water and flatten the foam. On the other hand, Natural Enzyme, it eats those oils and those soaps. So 1 ounce in any hot tub, just 1 ounce, a shot glass of Natural Enzyme will really help keep any foam from building up. It eats that oil, it eats that soap, it eats those lotions. Great product. I use it every week. Okay? Thanks.